What if I told you that one of the richest entrepreneurs in the world didn't begin his career by following a perfect plan, but by continuously refining his roadmap? When Bill Gates was a teenager, he wasn't dreaming of becoming a billionaire. He simply had an unusual curiosity about computers. Every opportunity he found, he learned. Every mistake he made, he adjusted his direction. Instead of chasing a job title, he built a roadmap guided by learning, opportunities, and adaptation. And exactly that's why millions of people today feel lost. Students are overwhelmed by thousands of career options. Professionals fear that artificial intelligence will replace their jobs. Freshers struggle because employers demand experience they don't yet have. Now, friends, the problem isn't a lack of talent. The problem is that most people have goals that are not a career roadmap. In today's video, I'll show you a practical step-by-step framework that can help you design a career roadmap capable of surviving change even in the age of AI. So stay till the end because I'll also share a simple one-page roadmap template that successful professionals often follow without even realizing it. Now, why traditional career planning no longer works? 20 years ago, life seemed simple. Study hard, get a degree, find a suitable job, work for a company, and retire comfortably. But today, entire industries are disappearing. New careers are emerging every year. And AI is transforming work faster than universities can update their curriculum. According to the World Economic Forum, millions of existing jobs will change significantly over the next few years, while many completely new roles will emerge. So instead of planning for a single job, you need to prepare for a lifetime of learning. And that requires a roadmap, not a destination. Now, step one, know yourself before choosing a career. Imagine trying to reach a city without knowing your starting point. Impossible, isn't it? The first step is self-discovery. So ask yourself, what activities make me lose track of time? What problems do I naturally enjoy solving? Which skills do people often appreciate in me? And what values matter most in me? Do I enjoy creating, analyzing, or teaching, or building, or helping? Don't choose your career because everyone else is doing it. Choose one that fits your personality. As the ancient Greek saying goes, know thyself. It still remains one of the greatest career advice ever given. Step 2. Define your long-term vision. So don't ask, what job should I get? Instead, ask, what kind of life do I want? Where do you want to live? What lifestyle do you want? How much freedom matters to you? Would you rather manage people or create products? Would you enjoy entrepreneurship? Ask these questions. Remember, your career should support your life, not control it. Step 3. Research the future, not just the present. Here's a mistake many students make. They research today's jobs. Instead, research tomorrow's jobs, right? Study industry reports. Observe AI trends. Look for growing industries like, let's say, artificial intelligence, renewable energy, biotechnology, cybersecurity, space technology, digital marketing, healthcare, data science, and so forth. Opportunities belong to those who prepare before everyone else notices them. Now, step 4. Build skills like an investor builds wealth. Remember, your skills are your career currencies. Build 3 types of skills. Technical skills, like the specific knowledges required for your professions. Human skills, like, let's say, communication, leadership, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, negotiation practices, creativity, AI skills, and so forth. No matter your profession, learn how AI tools can improve your productivity. The future doesn't belong to people who compete against AI. It belongs to people who work and know how to work with AI. Step 5. Gain experience before you need it. Many graduates say that maybe that I can't get experience because nobody hires freshers. Well, that's true. What can you do about it? You can just, flip the question. Volunteer. You can freelance. You can intern. You can create personal projects. You can, contribute to open source work, and you can build a portfolio also. Employers hire proofs, not promises. Remember, your work speaks louder than your resume. Now, step 6, build your network before you need opportunities. This is very important. Many careers change because of conversations, not advertisements. So what you can do? You can attend seminars, join LinkedIn communities, participate in different types of workshops, reach out respectfully to seasoned professionals. Opportunities often travel through people long before they appear online. So remember, your network expands your possibilities. Now, step 7, review and update your roadmap regularly. Like GPS systems constantly recalculate, your career should also do that. So every 6 months, you can ask yourself, what new skill have I learned? Which industries are growing? Am I enjoying my work? And what should I improve next? So success isn't about, choosing perfectly. It's about adapting continuously. Now, the one-page career roadmap that I was speaking about at the beginning of the video, your roadmap should contain just 6 questions. My vision, where I want to be in next 10 years. My strengths, skills and qualities I already possess. Skills to learn, knowledge I must acquire. Experience plans, like the projects, internships, certifications, so forth. Networking plan, people and communities I will connect with. And finally, a review date, a reminder every 6 months to update my roadmap. So this is simple, practical, yet very powerful. So key takeaways from this lecture. If you remember only 5 things from today's video, you can remember these. Know yourself before choosing a career. Build a vision, not just a goal. Learn future-ready skills. Gain experience continuously. Keep updating your roadmap because the world keeps changing. And remember, a career is not a straight road. It's a journey filled with detours, learnings, failures, and unexpected opportunities. The people who succeed aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who keep moving forward with a clear direction. So here's my challenge for you. Take 30 minutes this week. Write down your own career roadmaps. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just need to exist. Because a written roadmap gives you clarity, confidence, and purpose. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's confused about their career. And tell me in the comments below, what's the biggest challenge you are facing while planning your career today? I would love to feature some of your questions in the future videos. So until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building the future you deserve. Thanks for watching.